Get away. How them? No, 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 little boy, no, they pan for me level. Get away. Me level. They pan for me level.
Watch your red from them. No, we pour up a boy case with my eyes with like bro, God, me not take this. No, we circle and men's victory.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health of our wealth and your health is your wealth, so I'm going to please take care of everything now. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, help someone if you can. Big up the partner, Tim. Where you say Andre, problem in our Najan shop. Yeah, man, we need the partner, you see me, you don't know. We say we're not voting on my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man. So big up the people who believe in truth and rights and, you know what I mean, consciousness, righteousness. Yes, man. So, you don't know, there's a GoFundMe link, and I'll be subscribing in the description. And also pinned in the comment section if you want to help feed the poor, no matter how small it is, if I even $5, £5, $10, 10 US, you know what I mean, £10 or whatever, £1, £2, anything you can afford, for just click the GoFundMe link and drop it in, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so you don't know another episode where we're going to review Popcorn song, as promised, Levels, you know, Popcorn, and I get Wally Paprements from all angle, you see me? Yeah, man, and real skill, my brother, watch up a song on the one matic with him there, yo, nah, like, the rhythm is song a chop, and the song a create a buzz already. In Ireland and UK, the whole of the sound man them a link up for dub plate already. So if you don't need the dub plate, see me, link up Real Scale, link up Team, Flexi. But before we get into all of my viewers and subscribers, a quick ad break, you know.
You don't know the old play boss I representing right now, I'm mad first. I mean, I big up Mad Was, you know the thing, go big up for themselves. Out clear, bad or bad. Clear, them can't kill you cause your heart too clean. Mad.
Mad Was, that's why they easy to kill dog. I'm gonna you catch him all deep with the dogs all deep. And we say we full of killer, I mean holy. Yo, link up, Mad Was. All of the dog them right now. Mad Was, Brogan, Guala, Brogan. No.
Watch on the man, we bridging on my system from every big and small sound system. This is Zion Foot, and I say you any dub plate you want from any artist, you get it. Once you book it through Mad Was, dub firm, and you make a payment and you confirm, you not have no concern. Yes, man, the dub will go forward on the right, not the wrong turn. So it's link up now, Mad Was, dub firm. Yeah, man. Welcome back. Thanks for saying if you're still here. You don't know, Wasp, dub firm, Mad Was, dub firm. Link up if you want your dub. Any artist in Jamaica on the ground, big sound, small sound, anything, just link up Mad Was, dub firm. So me I say, link up Mad Was, dub firm. See? Now let's get into it right now. You don't know Real Skill of a song name, Winning. You know what I mean? Boy, I love the song already. So me I say, you can imagine all the visuals. Real Skill, big up yourself, my brother. Yes, man. So let's get into it, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Yes, man.
Come on! This is the big man, come on!
Let's go. Now, baby, sit down. You don't want to play boy, dog. Don't forget to raise somebody. You have to share it, dog. On to some more.
The intro shot already, and the song not started. The intro shot. I saw you start intro. Yes, man. I want to some boy. Bellevue Red. You see me I say? Pull up. Yo, 45 a scale. You go so hard, brother. Viewers and subscribers, don't go. I'm not going to hear more of the song, but me, not even me, I say pull up on the selector, pull up already before me even say pull up. So me I say, I don't know one part of Northland, this or Eastland and Askell there, you know. Big up Tug of War to you know, Turkey, you Askell one part of Eastland and Shelly down.
You know, Askell, now, baby, sit down, you don't want to play boy, dog. Don't forget to raise somebody. You have to share, dog. On to some more.
hold on there. You hear the lyrics them in the man not the song, the content, lyrical content. Tell a boy what's the word from him lip. We will blow up a boy face with my eyes prick. Bad like bro God, me not take this. We will circle lemons with 3 sexy bitch. No. But I realize I one part, me not like another song, there's my brother and a bro God. You know, we born bro God, you see me? Wow, partner draw. But if me in the studio when I sang your voice, me I say, yo, change up bro God part, you see me? But we don't know. Bro God, not forget no more props, you know, but the song connect with Bro God name, you know, it's still, but, you know, we say Bro God, not forget no props. And that's why Bro God feel like him untouchable and I come with him dictatorship. Because the man them say, Bro God, daddy one and them, and him just feel like him big and high and mighty. But anyway, different from that, yeah, the Bro God fit the song. You see me, I say, yes, man. Yes, more into the song.
No shot, 4 red shot. Pick up them doors and lay down like this. 6 in a face with the boy, we are this fool. Yes, I'm not grave and no plastic.
Yeah, man. Man say, I'm circle them with 4 sexy bitch. Love shot, 4 Glock, 4 extra clip. Zine, so you know, 3 gal and him, you know. A 4 person, that's a 4 extra clip. You see me kick down the shell, kick down them house, like them do like this. Boy, I get shallow grave, no casket. Boy, Haskell, boy, you name real Haskell. Boy, you don't get that name for nothing, brother. Yeah, man, real Haskell, you don't have to shoot hard and powerful. As real Haskell coming in the metaphors, them and similar. We're winning. Slap them for 6 in the first innings. So, you know, a cricket that. I'm telling you something about Real Haskell. Real Haskell was a professional cricket player, you know. That's why I hear the man going and say, yo, we slap them for 6 in the first innings. And so I say, we're winning. Be a tough all point and you know what I mean? Black Rhino, we are fling pan them, you know. So the ball a ball, you know, the cricket ball a ball, you know. And the hollow pint when I hear him say, yo, be a tough pints a fling. And so I say, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of the song. You don't know, you can look up for the official video, the promo video will come out. You know, the rhythm out the long time still, but the song a chop on the rhythm same way. And the rhythm still a play with all of the artists them. You see me I say, yes, man, as you can see the selector drop Skeng behind Real Haskell and a proper juggling that, and the selector know him do a so selector juggle. Bad song behind bad song. Now my viewers and subscribers, link up Real Haskell, you can go follow him. You know what I mean? On Instagram, Real Haskell 45. Team Flexi Promotions if you would like to get in touch, dub plate and anything. So I say, yeah man, so big up the world promotion team, Team Flexi, up there. Now my viewers and subscribers, Popcorn and you know the farmer artist them that was around him, associate around him, and them split and part and gone and ways. All of them are dash can off him and some of them are dissing blatantly. You see me? So Popcorn do a song I say levels. None of them don't on him levels. So I say, and I actually like the song. So big up Popcorn, I want to connect. So I say I have to review it. So I say big up all of the unruly fans out there. I don't know Quada. I will say Popcorn I say levels. I know Popcorn at maybe Quada, you know what I mean, it matter Jaffras, it matter Versi. All of one unruly cause, you know what I mean, who came out and lash out against Popcorn. So Popcorn I say none of them don't on them levels. So viewers and subscribers, let's get into it. I make them know say, yo, no, look boy, no dep on me label. And it's very repetitive and very catchy. No, look boy, no dep on me label. New party, boogie on the label. Yo, Popcorn make them say new party and boogie Bugatti, you know. Big ride. No, dep on Popcorn level like that. Popcorn make on no scene. Alright. Popcorn say, yo, them chilling on the rooftop, him chilling on the moon. Fat sexy preps in him room. You see me, anybody violate the link, I get them doom. You see me I say regular them teeth him style with Anna try slide change it up, decay it under the decay way with the auto tune. See? So make viewers and subscribers let me know who Popcorn attack this up.
Everything me do me lead by example. Big up me haters, them are me fans too. Every day we level up right now, I'll squid and make angle. Me, full of property, me full up a title.
Alright, the Popcorn say, yo, him haters them I'm example, you know. Him haters them motivate him. You see, and him lead by example. So me I say every day I'm let love right now, I'm Kangle. You know what I mean? him full up a land and him full up a title. Now Popcorn seems like a very businessman, and my observation, Popcorn have a whole heap of business entities, under the decay. You know what I mean? Him have houses, him have lands. I feel like him own all of us at UK yet, or him have some shares in a Queen's Park Rangers. That's my observation. I may be wrong, but every time we come to the UK, we see my Queen's Park Rangers Stadium and also in the Queen's Park Rangers shirt. So maybe him have some ties with Queen's Park Rangers. I just have a good link there. I just love the club. I don't know. You see me I say, but I just... Yeah, man, none of them look about the Popcorn level, and that Popcorn I'm going to know. So, Jaffras, Quada, and I mean, all of the artists them will lick out and say Popcorn bad man and selfish and him love Wobie and all of them things there. And them Popcorn attacks. To make someone else watch and hear the joy. You know what I mean? Yes, man, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.